and they've also flown regularly into Ascension Island, supporting British forces in the South Atlantic. Now, powering up, turning in for what's become the signature of the Airbus. This aircraft, with its fly-by-wire controls, has a 120-degree limit in roll, and we're about to see that demonstrated. Wow. That is so impressive. When you compare that to something like a Boeing 737 that has a 60-degree angle of bank limit, all because of the stresses and strains on the vertical stabilizer, you can see what a very strong tactical aircraft this has been built from the ground up. And then rapid return to low level descent. Part of the maneuverability that's so vital in the And this maneuverability that we see now is absolutely crucial for the aircraft in the low level role. That's very good as well. It has a 2,000 nautical mile range, can carry 37 tons of freight or 116 fully equipped troops. When you compare that with the C-17, which carries 45 tons of freight, it's only the range, which is up to 4,500 miles, that delineates the two. So a very good support to the strategic role. All British crew of test pilots on board the aircraft today. Tony Flynn captaining the aeroplane, John Taylor with him as co-pilot, both former RAF pilots, both graduates of the Empire Test Pilot School of Boston Down. And how short a landing is that? Well, that's just inside 2,000 feet. They've just stopped at the 7,000 feet to go forward. They probably landed about 500 feet in. So about 1,600 feet as we see the aircraft now going to beta thrust and start to reverse up the runway. Two of these in the ground displays from the 24 and 70 squadrons at Fry's Norton. This particular aircraft has got the RIAT18 logo on the tail because this is not just a member of the test fleet, it's going to be the last of the 22 Atlas C1s that the RAF has delivered once Airbus have finished using it for test duty. So, just brilliantly flown by Tony Flynn and John Taylor, as ever, the Airbus Development Space A400M.